Welcome to another video. At this level, assume you have got your domain and hosting. Let's install WordPress and select theme for blogging. As I bought hosting domain from Nexthold, here is the dashboard looks like. Don't worry, if you get hosting from someone else or any other hosting provider, it will be something similar to this. So as I'm on Nexthold, I will just go to services and I will go to service, which in my case it is nextproperty.com. And on the left side, you can see log into cPanel. I will have to log into cPanel. Now, before I go to install WordPress, I need to tell you what is cPanel. Okay, it is a control panel which provides reliable server and site management platform. You can say it is in simple words. You can say it has the backend of the website. Okay, so on cPanel, once you open cPanel, you can install WordPress in two ways. The custom way, which requires technical knowledge because you have to put a folder, WordPress folder in the folder manager. But on the other hand, there is second way, which is we just install WordPress through Softiculous apps. Well, we will go with the second one because it's easy and we are not technical. So just go to WordPress Manager by Softiculous and go to install. Now, before installing WordPress, you have to take care of few things. One, always select HTTPS. HTTPS helps in SSL. Okay, so it is secure way to open any website. On the other hand, it is SEO friendly. The HTTPS. Also, never name your admin username the admin. Never do that. Never. Okay. We will be using anything other than admin, whatever you want to use. Now, after the admin username, you have to take care of the password. It should be strong enough that it should be 100 out of 100 strong, and it should contain the symbols, the capital letters, the small letters, and it should be random. It should not be the same your name or your pet name or anything. It should be strong enough that nobody can even think of. Just go down now, just scroll down and click install, and it will install automatically. Now, once it is installed, you will see something like this, your website and your admin panel. Just go to admin panel, WP admin, it is called uh, WordPress dashboard or whatever you say. Okay. All right. Now you will see something like this. A small introduction of the WordPress dashboard. Here it is dashboard. You can see different things. It is welcome message, site health status, good draft, and glance, events, and everything. You can just move these, and if you don't want anything, okay. All right. So on this here, it tells you there are updates in your website. You need to update few things, and it also tells you that that update is in plugins. Here it is post. All posts will be here, and we will be adding new posts from here. Or even you can just go from here and click on post. After that, category is very important. We'll discuss in details. After that, tags important again. We'll discuss in details. There's the media, whatever you upload, the images, videos, or files, everything you'll be able to see here, and you can add new from here as well. These are the pages tab, and you will see all pages and add new page. You can add from here as well. You can also add from here. So yes, the pages we will discuss in upcoming videos. Comments, you can see the whole comment list here, and appearance here you can see the themes and editors. And in this video we are going to discuss themes, and then the other one is plugins. In the next video we will be discussing import plugins. Our website should have users, all users like my admin. If you are giving access to anyone else, you can possibly see here, and you can just assign different roles to different users here. Tools, these are the tools you can use for import, export, and other. You can also edit file. It is the backend. You can just go to code and you will be able to edit that. Plugin file editor. There's another editor for plugin. The backend of the plugin. The settings very important. We will discuss this in upcoming videos when we'll be doing SEO of our website. So till then, let's go to themes. Now, once you click on themes, here is something you will see. 2023 theme, it is WordPress official theme. 2021, it's also WordPress official theme. 2022, it's also WordPress official. So we will be removing these two because we will not need them. Just click on it, delete it, and just delete it. But we will keep this one because 2023, because if anything happens to the other theme we are going to add, so the website can be shifted to this easily. So that's it for today. In the next video, we will set up the new theme for our blog website. Again, as per the algorithm, do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more. If you have any feedback, leave your comments in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. See ya.